How to hide the likes of any particular YouTube video. So hey guys, if you're also wondering how you can hide the likes of a particular YouTube video, then this video is for you. So all you need to do is simply follow these easy steps. So here you can see I have currently opened up my YouTube studio in the web browser, and now the next thing I'm gonna do is simply go to the content tab at the left. This will display the list of all the YouTube videos that I have uploaded or published till now. Then you need to find that particular video for which you will be hiding the likes. So for example, in my case, this is the particular video on which I want to hide the like count. So simply hover up your cursor and you will see this details option with a pencil icon. Click onto this icon and you will be landed onto the video details page. Now scroll down until you see the show more button. Click onto the show more button and keep on scrolling. Now at the very end you will see this particular check mark which says show how many viewers like this video. So all you need to do is simply disable this check mark, and once you have done that, go up and at the top right side click on this save button, and from now on for this particular video the like count will be hidden. So that's it for this video. If this video helped you, make sure to drop a like, comment below and tell us if it worked for you or not, and don't forget to share our channel as well and subscribe it. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.